Hi there, a new school year is about to start. So today I'll bring you different ways how to say the word to begin. Let's start. And the first expression we're going to look at today is to take up. To take up means to start a new activity. For example, this year I have decided to take up swimming lessons. What about you? What are you going to take up this year? To start off. To start off is to begin something in a certain way. For example, the lesson started off with a fun quiz. The next phrasal verb is to get into. To get into means to become interested in something. For example, she really got into reading this summer. Another way to say to begin is to kick off. For example, the game kicked off at 7 p.m. That means that the game started at 7 p.m. To set out. To set out means to start a plan or a goal. For example, Alice did really bad in English last year. So this year she set out to improve her English. To turn over a new leaf. To turn over a new leaf means to start fresh, to change for better. So this year, I want to turn over a new leaf. I want to change for better. When we want to start any activity, we can say, let us get the ball rolling. That means let's get started. So let's get the ball rolling with introductions. The following phrase is to embark on. To embark on is to start a journey or to start a project. For example, they decided to embark on a new adventure and started a new project. The next phrasal verb is to pick up. To pick up means to start something again. For example, he picked up guitar lessons after a long break. And the last phrase is to begin anew. To begin anew means to start fresh. It's never too late to begin anew.